Hey everybody, I'm going to be going over the Raid Pouch V3 and the Raid Pouch V3 3A armor insert and how to install them. So this is the pouch. I opted for the First Spears quick detach tube, so this will go on the plate carrier. I'll show that when I update my carrier. The front pocket here, so there's Velcro here for patches or whatever you want to do. Pocket here has some of this cord. You could use that in these small holes to lash something to the front. See what I'm going to do with that later. Got the 3A insert. Let's put that in now. So open it up. There's a pocket right here where the insert will go. Put the label towards your body. And it's same shape as the pouch, so just tucks right in here. As simple as that. Now, I also have the Omni insert, which I'm going to use in here, but I haven't put that together. That'll be in a future one. And you have two holes here, two grommets, so you could use that shock cord there also. There's some bungee here to put a tourniquet or whatever you want to put in there. That's it, the armor. This is now a 3A armor panel. It's going to hang down right below my plate carrier. Hope that helps.